Hi, I'm Miss Harris and I'm the Head of English here at Beckford Thornton, and welcome to GCSE Language and Literature. Let me take you through the two courses. The first course that you will study is the GCSE English Language qualification, where you will get to study a range of fiction and non-fiction texts and get the opportunity to develop your own creative writing. You will look at a range of skills across this qualification, from identifying and interpreting to comparative and evaluative skills. You will also develop your communication skills, learning to communicate effectively and imaginatively, whilst organising ideas by using a range of vocabulary, sentence structures and punctuation. In paper 1, you look at fiction extracts, analysing the writer's methods and intentions through a provided extract, and then getting a chance to write your own piece of creative writing. In paper 2, you look at non-fiction, and you get the opportunity to write a piece of formal writing, a letter, a speech, or an article. The second qualification is GCSE English Literature, where you are looking at these skills through a range of literary texts. We start with Shakespeare and Macbeth. We move through the 19th century with novels such as A Christmas Carol and The Sign of Four, right up to modern texts, such as An Inspector Calls. We also do a range of poetry, looking at a power and conflict anthology and some unseen poetry, which cross through the decades and the centuries. Across both of these qualifications, you will learn the communication skills necessary for whatever it is you choose to do in the future. Whatever course you study and whatever job you do, your skills from English language and English literature will be vital. If you have any questions, I am around in school and you can come and find me, or you can email me through the school email system. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Miss Walsgrove, Head of Maths. I'm here to tell you a little bit about mathematics at Key Stage 4. For me, there's one quote that has really guided my time as a teacher working with young people, and it's this one. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. It's my mantra, and I tell children that that's how they're going to learn too, getting their pens and pencils out, giving every question a really good go and working their way through it. Of course, we're ambitious for our children, and these are some of the key features that we want our mathematicians to develop during their time with us over Key Stage 4. All of these things are going to help them in terms of work and careers and further study later in life. We have a great teaching team in the Maths department. They're all highly qualified mathematicians. They'll be supporting our learners who always struggle with the subject, right through to those learners at the other end of the line who want to go on and take their mathematics on to university, as we have had this year in our sixth form. We want our students to be the best they can be, and they can be their best by making sure they're coming into the lessons every day, ready to learn, with the right equipment, always ready to make sure they've listened, they've thought about it, and they did a really good job by the end of that lesson. We always get asked which exam board we use. We use the Edexcel 9-1. We'll also need students to have their own scientific calculator, and also they'll have lots of formulas to learn, so they must learn those ready to go into the exam. But we're all here to help. Your own student's maths teacher can answer any further questions. Please don't hesitate to get in touch.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Hewitt. I'm the Head of Science at Beckford Thornton, and I'm going to talk to you about the different science courses we offer at GCSE. We offer two courses. We have the AQA Combined Science course, the Trilogy course, and this is the one that most students in the school will follow. We also have a suite of triple sciences for those who are able to do a faster pace. These are the AQA Biology, AQA Chemistry and AQA Physics. At Beckford Thornton, it's not just about the grades for our students. It's about enabling our students to develop a range of skills that they will be able to take forward at post-16 or into the world of work. So we have a list of skills here of we are trying to improve and give our students the opportunity to develop. Our students will have 6 hours of science a week. They will have 3 teachers, 1 per science, and this allows our staff to teach within their specialisms so they can draw on that wealth of knowledge and experience they have from many years of teaching. Staff are passionate about their subjects and they want to convey that to the students, so they will use as many everyday examples and unusual models for our students to experience the science that they are studying. AQA Combined Science, or Trilogy, is the same as the old Dual Award. It has 3 subjects and students must complete a course with all 3. However, they leave at the end with 2 grades. The grades can either be the same, such as 4-4, 5-5, 6-6, or it could be 4-3, 5-4, 7-6. There are 6 papers in total at the end of Year 11. There is no coursework, and there are 2 tiers that our students can sit. We will always wait until the very last minute to decide which tier to ensure that the student has the maximum potential for achieving the best grade for them. The Separate Sciences and the Trilogy course are designed to have a majority of common content, which allows us to move students between the 2 courses up to as late as possible in Year 11. The students will leave with 3 grades at the end, and they again sit 6 papers. However, their papers are a little bit longer. Both the Trilogy and Separate Sciences have foundation and higher. Thank you for listening. If you have any further questions, my email address is below, and feel free to contact me if you need further information.